How to use digital estate planning platforms properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Digital estate planning platforms make creating wills, trusts, and directives easier, but most beginners make mistakes that can invalidate their plans. You won't believe how often small oversights create big problems. The first mistake is skipping essential documents. Wills, trusts, healthcare directives, and powers of attorney are all necessary. Missing any of these can cause delays or disputes for your heirs. Another common error is not naming reliable executors or trustees. This person manages your estate, and choosing someone unqualified can lead to mismanagement or family conflict. Many users also fail to follow state-specific legal requirements. Witnesses, notarization, and document formatting rules vary by state. Ignoring them can make your plan invalid. A surprising mistake is forgetting digital assets. Online accounts, cryptocurrency, and social media require clear instructions. Without this, access may be impossible for heirs. Finally, beginners often neglect updates. Life changes like marriage, divorce, or new children require revisions. Regular reviews keep your estate plan current and effective. To properly use digital estate planning platforms, include all essential documents, appoint reliable executors, follow legal rules, address digital assets, and update regularly. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your wishes are honored and your loved ones are protected.